It's Wednesday, November 13th, 2024. It's 8:31 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return once the market opens and I see a possible trade. BTCS continuing to slowly creep its way up. High of day is 489. Plenty of volume on these candles. If you look here, it'll show the volume, the number of shares traded on each candle as I hover over them. 2 million, 1 million. So plenty of activity. Currently the fourth highest gain are up 64%. I'll keep my eye on it and I'll return. I'm in on BTCS, 50 shares at 507. And I am out. Let's go see what we have here. All right, another quick $9. That's 3.2% gain on that trade. I was only in this trade 16 seconds. So far, I don't want to jinx myself here, but halfway through the month, a lot of green days. Let's keep the green going and trade again tomorrow morning. Hey, thanks a lot for stopping by.